Okay, we're gonna prepare the one watermelon. Maybe we just use the half. And one apple. 2 lemon. 1 cherry tomato. 1 pineapple leaves. OK, 1个西瓜，1个苹果，2个小番茄，2粒柠檬。OK, first we're gonna cut a watermelon. It's okay. Cut this. Cut ahead. This knife is the sashimi knife, so different knife. So cut it, you know. Maybe so it's okay, no problem. Okay. This just put it here. Wait. Okay. Okay. We're gonna prepare the cut the bird tail and the next tail. This one is easy. You just color here, put it inside the tail, and when this one, right? Put it inside is when this one, yeah. Right, like this, and the tail. This is the bird. Okay, I forgot the carrots, and the carrots, you just cut it a little bit. Right? This is the bird, okay? Right now, we put a watermelon here first, right? We're gonna put a bird. Inside, we already colored the bird, the 2 birds. The 2 birds, right? Did you see chopstick? 然后这个筷子呢，就给它插上去。这就好像一个鸟笼，然后鸟笼的上面呢，是不是很简单？这是一只小鸟。It's easy, right? This bird is pretty. Okay, nice to see you next time. Maybe I gotta make the funny stuff. 下次我可能要做的比较好笑一点的，这就比较简单。Okay, thank you. See you again.